Welcome back to another video. So today, this is going to be a video going right over my strategy on exactly how it works. I'm going to cover exactly how you can enter the trades, the best times to enter them, and what to look for when you're executing the trades. Guys, this is such an easy strategy. As you can see over here, I'm going to pop it up on the screen somewhere. These are my certificates from my funded accounts. Guys, this strategy is so easy. Like, it doesn't even make sense. So let's not waste too much time. We're going to jump right into the video and I'm going to explain exactly everything you need to know. Step 1 of the strategy. Most important thing in the trading world, especially if you want to become a day trader, have a higher time frame confluence. In our case, we're going to be looking at the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we want to find our bias. What's telling us where the market's going to go? Well, in this case, we have a couple confluences. One is that we have this buy side liquidity. What is a buy side liquidity? Buy side is just telling us that there is generated liquidity in this area, which means there's a bunch of buy orders, stop orders, you name it. Think of it as a popular food market. There is a lot of people in this area waiting for their orders to get fulfilled. So that being said, this is already one reason as to why the market might want to reject. But of course, you can't just enter it because of one reason. We need multiple reasons. So our second confluence comes into play. As you can see, we have a baby little fair value gap. But hey guys, size doesn't matter, right? I'm sure we've all heard that one before. Anyways, so fair value gap, doesn't matter the size. It all hits the same. Pause. Buy side liquidity, that's two confluences as to why we want to move lower. So having that in mind, we say, okay, let's hop down to the lower time frame. So in this case, let's drop down to the 1 minute time frame. Now we want to look for an entry point. We have our higher time frame confluence. We have that buy side liquidity in this case with the sell side liquidity. With the fair value gap. Whoa. Now we have a reason to go down. So now we want to look for a manipulation or inversion for value gap as our entry. Do we have anything over here? We don't see anything. Let's keep waiting. Okay, we have a manipulation up here. Are we going to fulfill this and possibly have an entry? No, we keep pushing higher. So no rush. Let the market play. Now, market's still moving. Let's see. Manipulation leg. Okay, what is a manipulation leg? Manipulation leg is we're pretty much faking people out. We make people think that we're going higher, but in reality, we actually have a push lower. So let's see. We have a potential market structure shift. It's not confirmed, but we have the manipulation. So we have one part of it, and we have the market structure shift right down below. So if we were to break below and have a full push lower, then that is our market structure shift. Let's see. Nothing yet. But we do have a inversion for value gap over here. So if we could break below and create this inversion, then we can look for our entry. We're just wicking past it, so nothing happening. We still don't have an entry. Keep going right there. This is going to be our entry. And on top of it, even if you want, you can take that retrace right back. Now, how are we going to enter this trade? Take our entry for a short position, stop loss, of course, right above the previous high. Take profit, where are you going to put it? Well, let's see. Take our standard deviation from the highs right to the break of the inversion for value gap. Standard deviation, we can target straight for a 1-to-1. Personally, I like to look for 1-to-1s, much higher win rate. Of course, you can target -2s, but -1s are a very, very strong rejection point, guys. So in this case, I look for a -1. Let's see. Bang. Slapped right in the face. That is our take profit. If we're risking $500 on this trade, we just made 500. We're out clean. If you would like, and you are more of a risky person, you could hold for a -2 and get a 2-to-2 RR risk to reward. Guys, this is such an easy strategy. Manipulation leg. Inversion for value gap with the market structure shift on the 1 minute time frame. That is your lower time frame entrance. So recap, 1 hour buy side with the fair value gap, two confluences as to why we want to go down. Go to the 1 minute. We have the manipulation leg, inversion for value gap, and our potential market structure shift right down below. Enter right at the break of the inversion for value gap. So right here, we could have entered. Always enter on candle close. Very important. In this case, we had a retracement, so whatever. For the video, we put it right at the inversion for value gap entry. And we have our push. Now, -1 could be your full take profit. -2 could also be your full take profit. Once we make that market structure shift, on the other hand, we can go to break even and it's a risk-free trade. Guys, this is the strategy. I told you, it's not difficult, very easy. I have a link down below if you want me to go over this with you one-on-one. It's completely free. If you like the place and the mentorship, you like it, then you are more than welcome to stay. If you don't like it, get the fuck out of here. As simple as that. Anyways, guys, on all seriousness, I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it made sense to you. And I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day.